Hi, this is Steve with HomeStrung Jewelry,
And Debbie is here.
with HomeStrung Jewelry also, and we've got something kind of special that we're doing today. We're going to do a preview of, what would you call it, kind of a limited edition, special edition Nekkid Baby that is going to, we have a tutorial that's going to be done by Gina Raber, who has a YouTube channel, and she's going to be talking about this, but we thought before she comes on that we would show you what's going to be in this special Nekkid Baby bag. That wasn't easy to say. The special Nekkid Baby bag. Let me show you the orphan just to give you an idea of what's in the bag and what you can expect.
What it is we sent Gina an example of the orphan here with a dress-up bag. And I am in love with this new vein that was just discovered in Mexico not too long ago. The stones coming out of it are absolutely gorgeous.
And we really haven't shown anyone. I think we've sent one out as a gift or to give someone an idea. And these are crazy lace agate. And these are amazing. And then the craftsman who does this, he is simply amazing as well. There are no chip holes on that drill hole, which is very common when you drill a hole in any kind of an agate. And these are just beautiful, all natural colors. There's like on this particular one, there's a little druzy river. The lines are just impeccable. These are great stones, and we're letting Gina kind of be the one who introduces this and does the first tutorial. There will also be a discount that you can get if you go to Gina Raber's YouTube channel, which I believe is Sparklies65. It'll be posted down in
We'll put a link.
Yeah,
We'll put a link below this video so you can go watch her video and get the discount code. Because that's the only place it's going to be posted is through her video.
For right now. So, but anyway, here is one stone that will be available for sale, and these will be up on the Gemstone Orphanage, listed under Nekkid Babies at the same time that she introduces them with her tutorial. This particular stone, I recognize her. I remember putting her together. She is, there's the usual really important stuff, but here is the adoption paper, and you can see that her name is Vixen. And she's a good sized stone, 48 by 22 by 6.
Just like all of our Nekkid Babies, they come with their adoption certificates and their really important stuff information.
She even photographs well. That's what's so amazing about these new stones.
And they all are very similar. Each one is unique. You won't find any two exactly alike, but the colors, the red-orange bandings, the peaches, the creams, there's touches of gray here and there. They're just amazing. And you'll see that as you look through all of the siblings that Vixen has that we'll be putting up into the Nekkid Baby website.
And Debbie has put a knot on this bag that a Boy Scout couldn't get out. I'm working on it now to try to get everything. And here is the bag that comes with it, the dress-up bag. And there's a little inventory sheet as well, which we'll go over. But we just want to give you an idea of what is in the bag here. Okay, first off, what have we got here, Debbie? Is this carnelian?
28 grade carnelian rounds, 8mm. I will say there are 3 versions of this bag. The same beads are pretty much in all 3 versions, except the sizes might vary. Like this one has 8mm carnelian and 6mm goldstone. Some of them it's reverse. You've got 8mm goldstone, 6mm carnelian.
And here's the goldstone, which you can see right here, which is a 6mm. There was the 8mm carnelian, and then we have our discs.
All of the bags, no matter what version they are, do have the Navajo white discs. 20 of them on a strand, just like this,
with the separator beads. And then there is some crystal. This looks like what, a 6x4?
It's a 6x4. There's 25 beads on the strand. That's a light gold or a champagne gold. Or just a really pretty.
And then there's a few other little crystals here.
These are an Austrian grade 4mm crystal bicone. And again, they're in a very light gold shade. They're just absolutely beautiful.
Let me bring a few of them up here so you can see them. Okay, they're wonderful cut. Lots of flash, lots of sparkle.
They stray into kind of a peachy shade. It's a gold moving towards peach, so it looks beautiful with this new stone.
Then we have a bag of chips.
These are sunstone chips. Again, all of the bags, no matter what version they are, will have this bag of 7-inch, 7.5-inch.
7-inch long chips. These are the world's biggest chips. Okay, it's a 7-inch, roughly a 7-inch strand. It'll be loosened in a bag.
Yeah.
I'm going to
But it's a beautiful shade of sunstone. You can see the glitter and sparkle and
what shade
flash.
Is sunstone? And then we have a little findings bag, which has, let me pull it out here. We have, first off, chain. This is like a yard of chain.
The findings are antique copper, and you do have a yard of kind of a really fun antique copper chain. There is
a bell, a pinch bell.
The standard pinch bell, and a toggle clasp.
We have a toggle clasp here, which I'll put down there. There is a whole bunch of jump rings, which I'm going to dump into the tray here because I'm losing them.
There's just the jump rings range from 4, 5, and 6 millimeters. You get several in each size. Kind of varies from bag to bag.
And then something new, we are putting a surprise prize in every bag. And in this particular case, it's a little slider.
There are two holes sliders in antique copper with some absolutely gorgeous crystals on the face of them.
These are genuine non-diamonds. So these are crystals in here. These are just a fun little slider, and there will be a surprise, probably this one, in every box. And then finally we have a bag of shaped beads. And let's look at what we've got. First off,
you're going to get 4 of the rainbow jasper ovals. These are 18 by 13 millimeter in size. There are 8 rainbow jasper hearts. They're about 11 millimeters in size. There are 10 A-grade carnelian faceted coins. These are absolutely stunning.
There's one of the little coins right there.
And then there's 20 of your 5 by 3 millimeter sunstone rondelles. Again, these are kind of an A-grade. Almost every stone has that beautiful sunstone flash in it.
Yeah, the hearts are just spectacular in there.
So that's what, and I said there's little tiny changes from the 3 different versions of the bag, but
minor ones.
They're just really kind of minor. You'll get something that just is very similar to what you see here in this bag. So
anyway, this is what is in the bag for the crazy lace. This will be listed at the same time that Gina Raber and the same time that this video comes out. These will show up on the website under Nekkid Babies. There is a 10% discount if you use the code from Gina Raber's YouTube channel. And what else is there to say? These are spectacular.
That's it. Oh, well, if these sell out too fast, we do have the means to put another set up. So don't get too
panicky.
Yeah, panicky or discouraged or that. We're working on maybe getting more out once we see whether this is going to be a popular stone or not.
Okay, this is a good example. Some of them, the stripes go different directions. They swirl. There's ovals, teardrops. There's a shield, I think, or 2.
Mostly just that.
Mostly just that. So there is the latest Nekkid Baby offering that is coming out. Watch for Gina's video. And I guess that's it for now.
Yes, Gina did a beautiful necklace. You've got to go over and see it.
Watch her tutorial. Take care. We'll see you again soon.
Bye-bye.